The principle of the lightning rod. Hello, Omni LPS works hard to dominate the world market of the lightning-related products with the world best technology in the electrical energy, lightning protection, and grounding system. I am very pleased to explain the bipolar conventional air terminal invented and developed by Omni. Let me explain the principles of the normal lightning rod and the bipolar conventional air terminal through animation. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin proved the electrical properties of lightning through an experiment using a kite and firstly made the lightning rod. After that, for over 250 years, Franklin lightning rod has been used in the world as the device for protecting the lightning strikes up to now. If you want to know the principle of lightning rod, you have to know how the thunderstorm is formed. In general, the thunderstorm is generated in a cumulonimbus made by strong rising current of air. The thickness of cumulonimbus sometimes shoots up to about 13 kilometers, the height of tropopause. At this time, the positive charge and the negative charge close up on the top and bottom part of vertically long cumulonimbus. Then, when the supercooled water with the negative charge goes up and meets the positive charge of clouds, the spark is generated. That is, the spark is the intracloud lightning discharge phenomenon of the thunderstorm cloud occurs even when the electrical charge group of the bottom part of clouds meets the electrical charge of the opposite polarity of the ground. It is normally called this thunderstorm is slowly moving toward the city now. Most of negative charges get together in the bottom part of clouds. These negative charges meet the positive charges of the surface's structure in the earth and the spark is generated. At this time, the negative charges in the cloud strike the closest structure. Accordingly, the lightning does not strike the pointed part, but strikes the highest part of the structure on the ground. The lightning rod is installed on the top of the high-storied building and induces the lightning. Because the lightning rod is grounded on the earth, the lightning which strikes the lightning rod comes into the surface of the earth directly. That is, the lightning is mainly generated on the high and pointed part. At this time, it has the powerful energy with hundreds of thousands of volts and 10 to 200 kiloamperes. In the distribution of electrical charge, the top part of clouds becomes positive and the bottom part of clouds becomes negative. At this time, because the huge quantity of electrical charge is made, electrical discharge of clouds or the lightning flash to the earth occurs. The positive charge of the surface is induced by the negative charge of the bottom part of clouds. The general lightning rods generate some ascending streamer by transmitting the lightning directly. But the surge immunity gets weaker owing to the social development and the electronic process of the system in the building. Accordingly, the damages caused by lightning strikes have increased. As explained before, even though the lightning flash is absorbed and is discharged to the ground by the Franklin lightning rod, the electromagnetic induction, then, it impacts on the semiconductor devices of weak resistance in the facility and the equipment, and it drives the malfunction and damage that the lightning rod was installed. Then you will see the bipolar convention air terminal invented and produced by Omni on the market. When the thunderstorm cloud comes close, the earth becomes the positive charge, the opposite polarity same as before. This positive charge is collected in the bipolar convention air terminal through the down conductor by the attraction. The electric charge of the earth is concentrated on the top part of the bipolar conventional air terminal. It is same as the Franklin lightning rod. The body of the conductor insulated from the bipolar conventional air terminal is electrified with the negative charge, the opposite polarity of the body of the bipolar conventional air terminal by the bipolarity. When the negative charge is electrified in the insulated conductor, the attractive force is increased between the body of the lightning rod and the insulated conductor, and the corona discharge occurs, the positive charge and the negative charge are exhausted. By installing the surge protector in the equipment of the system room, equipment room, and communication room, the induced lightning strike can be prevented. This is Omni Bipolar Conventional Air Terminal. This product acquired more than 10 invention patents, gold prize in the International Invention Exhibition on April 2009 in Geneva, Switzerland, and special prize in Russia as the result of a reverse thinking about Franklin lightning rod used over 250 years. 3 papers about the theory of bipolar conventional air terminal were published in IEEE Journal, the world top electricity and technology journal, and its performance was verified. Omni-bipolar conventional air terminal has the principle of eliminating the lightning condition, not preventing the lightning through the induction like the general lightning rod. According to the latest development, the information technology office buildings and all-purpose buildings, including factories and houses, tend to become ubiquitous, intelligent, and automatic. In the field of the electrical system, the overvoltage caused by lightning has been issued. The overvoltage protection means protecting the electronic devices from the induction voltage generated by LEMP, lightning electromagnetic impulse. Stopping such the phenomenon fundamentally, the existing lightning rod inducing the lightning has the limit. Omni-LPS bipolar conventional air terminal invented for overcoming it discharges the earth-focused electrical fields and consumes them in advance, so it can make the safe and comfortable spaces by protecting your life and property through preventing the lightning from occurring. The conventional air terminal produced by Omni prevents the lightning from striking the building by blocking the lightning fundamentally. Omni has considered the perfect protection of the facility and human life from the lightning surges by providing the optimum system for the lightning prevention, such as the bipolar conventional air terminal. Omni will strive to develop an SPD as the top priority through doing the constant R&D in the lightning protection and grounding system fields and producing new lightning protection and grounding products.